Good morning my lovers, I'm back out on my fields. Yes, it's stopped raining-ish. I've had a few sprinkles today though. I'm out with the GPX, the 5,000 coil, GPX 5,000. And today hopefully we're going to find some treasure. I've pegged out loads of targets and I'm now going to go and double check them with the CTX 3030. Woohoo! Oh, I got a lovely signal here. Oh, nothing on the screen. I see some dark soil. I think I can. I might have a relic on me first hole. Oh, what's that there? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. What's that? Is there anything more down there? No? Oh, pesky settings on this. I had to reset the camera and it's altered the settings. Oh well. But this looks epic. What's that, cloth? Oh, is it a purse bar? I think it's a purse bar. But a super posh one. Look at that, it's got gold gilt. Wow. Could even be gold in places. No, I don't think it is, unfortunately. But it's some sort of an epic purse bar. Wow. On my first hole. Woohoo! This field's full of epic finds. Oh, I'm going to have to come back to this spot and do around it because that purse might have had loads of gold coins in there. So I'm going to come back after I've detected these targets. I'm going to come back here with the GPX and I'm going to search around this area to look for all those gold coins. Woohoo! Oh, this signal sounded a bit iffy on the surface. Still sounds a bit iffy. Still sounds pretty iffy. Right. Let's see what we got down here. Ooh. Ooh, right there, right there. Bit gooey. What's that there? Is that dark soil? It might be. It might be just a... Oh, I've got something. Ooh, what's that? Oh, it's starting to rain and water's going down the crack of my ass. There it is. There it is. Oh. Ah! It's just a bridle ring. Oh, it's got something on it. Is it? Oh, is that just corrosion? No, it's just a pesky bridle ring. I thought I had something epic then. I don't know. Yeah, it's just a bridle ring. Oh, my hands are a funny colour. I'm going to have to adjust this camera again, methinks. Oh, I got a lovely one here. It's in there somewhere. Oh, that sounds a lot better all of a sudden. Right, proper iffy on the surface. Oh, banging signal. What's that there? Oh, that's it. Oh, what is that? Is it a relic? Oh. Is it a relic or is it a piece of cack? It's got like a rounded end. I don't think it's a relic because the metal's quite thin looking. See how it's thin there, look? I'm not sure I got the right setting on this camera. Still, I will have to set it up better when I get home. A bit tricky to do it in the field. But yeah, that is a thing. Might be a cane tip. Might be an old cane tip that's been mangled. Right. Lovely jubbly. Oh, I got a lovely one here. Oh, it's in there somewhere. Sounds a bit better now though. Oh, right there in the middle of the hole. Perfect pinpointing. Oh, felt something. Did I? Right there. Oh, I can feel something down there. Is it an ancient relic? Here it comes. Oh. It's... Oh, what's that? Looks like cack. Is it cack? Yeah, it's a D buckle. It's a little crusty, rusty buckle. On to the next. Oh, I got a banging signal here. Oh, what do you reckon? Cider can? Oh, still down there. Ah. See, no it ain't. It's not down there. It's in here. Ah, it's in there. Right. Such a big signal, it's going off all over the place. So I reckon cider can. What do you reckon? Coca-Cola? Oh, I can see it. What's that say? Shandy! We were both wrong. Shandy. Yeah, both wrong. God, this was a super low signal. I was convinced it was going to be foil, but it ain't foil. It's a relic. It's a relic. It's got a bit of a bar with it, so I think it's got maybe it's a pin. I'll put that up there. And then it looked like it had some cloth with it as well. But here it is. It's a little bit brittle. I think it's been stamped on or something. Look at that. That looks a bit weird. Right, let's get my toothbrush on it. Oh yeah, I think it's a pin, look. There's something there, look, for it to attach to. Where the pin went through that bit. I don't want to try and straighten it, it's very brittle. It's like some sort of a rose, like a Tudor rose in the middle. But I don't think it's very old because it's very thin. It's like pressed, so it's sort of Victorian-ish. But yeah, I'm having a pretty good day today. Lovely jubbly. The weather's not very nice, but then beggars can't be choosers, can they? Oh, this sounds like a hammered coin. Oh, could well be a hammy. Oh, it's out. It's out. And it sounds lovely. Let's just turn that pesky machine off. Near power lines, that's what it is. And they're making a bit of a racket. Ooh. What's that there? Hey? Yeah, that's cack. Any more cack? Oh, there it is. More cack. Anything on this here cack? No, just a piece of cack. Oh, that's it, me lovers. I'm cream crackered. I'm gonna finish this here beer from the Ringwood Brewery, Boondoogle, and I'm gonna head off home for a nice relaxing hot bath, and then I'm going to work on the videos and get them up as soon as possible. Well, probably not have a hot bath straight away. I might have a hot bath afterwards because I'm, you know, a bit achy. I haven't done this for a couple of days and it catches up with you, doesn't it? Yeah, I got to pack away all my gear because it's starting to get dark. Ugh. Did get rained on a few times, which was slightly annoying, and the weather conditions weren't ideal for metal detecting. Drizzly with wind. Yeah, for some reason metal detectors do not like drizzle and wind. It was not picking up the relics like I thought it was going to. I found a few relics, don't get me wrong, but I was expecting a few more. But if that coil works out, that I'm dreaming of making this ultimate searching machine, if that comes off, then I reckon I'll be finding relics galore. Right, cheers!